Hello families, today we're working on story problems. Right now our third graders are struggling with solving story problems because they don't deeply understand what's happening, so they can't choose the right operation to solve. We're going to focus on just understanding the story and choosing the right operation. Here's our first problem. A pet store has 20 pens with 4 kittens in each pen. How many kittens are there? Let me read it one more time. A pet store has 20 pens with 4 kittens in each pen. How many kittens are there? So first let me think, what's happening in the story? In my own words. Okay, so we're in a store, a pet store, and they have like 20, I don't know if they're cages, whatever these pens are, and in each of them, they have the same amount, and there's 4 little baby cats. And the question is asking us, how many kittens are there? Great. So now let me make an information box and let me jot down what does each number represent. So info/jot box. I know that there are 20 pens. There's 4 kitties in each pen. What's the question asking me? What do I need to find out? How many kittens are there? Big question. How many kitties? Okay, let me think. What does each number represent? And let me use that to help me figure out the operation. Okay, so 20 pens, that's like the 20 little boxes or the circle. So this like is the groups. The 4 kitties in each, that's the amount in each. So how many kitties, so it's like how many kitties, we already know it's 4 in each, so it must be how many kitties in total. Which means what operation matches what happens. We need to figure out how much there is in all, and there's the same amount in each. We must be using multiplication. So to figure this out, we need to do 20 hens times 4 kittens per hen is going to equal our total number of kittens. When kids are confused, they might do all kinds of things that don't make sense. They might do 20 plus 4 equals the answer. They might do 20 divided by 4, because it's equal groups, equals the answer. If they're doing these things, that means they're not deeply thinking about, wait, what does each number represent? What am I trying to find out? Let's do another one. Okay, here's the next one. Oh, it's about me. Ms. Dominique has $30, not that much money. She's buying 6 fancy notebooks that are the same price. Period. How much did a notebook cost? How much did a notebook cost? Let me read it again. Ms. Dominique has $30. She's buying 6 fancy notebooks that are the same price. How much did a notebook cost? Okay, let me think about what's happening. Okay, so I'm going to the store with my $30. And I have to buy 6 notebooks, and I have to figure out how much did a notebook cost. So A is like one of them, so I have to figure out how much one costs. Okay, so let me put what I know in this jot box. So Ms. Dominique, I have $30, and I'm assuming I spent all of it. And I need to get 6 notebooks. And the big question is cost of a notebook, and a notebook means one most. Cost of one notebook. Let me think about what does each number represent. So $30, that's the total money I have. Total money. 6 notebooks, that's the amount, that's the, what does that, that's the number of groups that I have. That's what I bought. That's the groups, what I bought. And the cost of one notebook, well, the cost of one notebook is going to be the same for all of them, so that must be the cost of each notebook. So let me think. I need to find the cost of each notebook. I know the total and how many I bought. So I need to find the cost of one of them, and this is an equal group situation. So let me think, what operation matches that? Division matches that. So I could solve this by saying $30 total money divided by 6 notebooks equals the cost of each or one notebook. Kids really struggle to understand division situations. They automatically just say, oh, it's the same amount in each group, I'm going to multiply. So you might see kids doing $30 times 6 equals our answer. If they really don't get it, they might say $30 plus 6 equals our answer. When you're working with your scholars on home with story problems, please push them to really think, wait, what's happening? If necessary, act it out, draw a picture. Think, what does each number represent? Based on what's happening and what each number represents, what's the right operation to solve? Do we need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Thank you so much, and continue working at home with your scholars. Bye-bye.